Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing economic order quantity. Okay, so this is your definition for economic order quantity. You need to know both the definition and how to work it out for the exam. Right then, let's get into it. So for economic order quantity, our formula is 2 times your annual requirement times your order cost divided by your carrying or holding cost per unit, and that's all in your radical sign inside your square root. Okay, so this is the given information that we're given, which is from exercise 2 in your textbook. So it's on page 234. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is find our annual requirement, and so it tells us here that there's 3,500 units that they use per week. Annual requirement is yearly. Okay, so it says the cost of ordering is 45, and our storage and holding costs for 1 unit is 30 rands, and we're told that there's 52 weeks in a year. So to find our annual cost, you take the 3,500 times 52, and that gives us 182,000. Okay, and then we're looking for our holding cost per unit. So it tells us our storage and holding is 30, so it's just 30. And then lastly, it's our ordering costs. And if we look at the information that we're given, and it says that your ordering cost is actually, cost of ordering is 45. So all we have to do is just put that into the formula and then see what it gives us. So we'll go 2 times 182,000 times 45 divided by 30. And so if we work this out, it gives us 738.9, which we can round off to 739. Okay, so it's our final answer. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so we're asked to calculate our economic order quantity, and it gives us the following information. Okay, it tells us that the company uses 1,440 kgs per month. The cost of it to place an order is 25 rand. The carrying cost is 15 rand. They tell us about the weekly usage, the minimum usage, the average over the couple of years, and the time it takes. Okay, so as you can see, I've left this out because I just wanted to see if you know the formula, and if you know the formula, we have to know it. It's 2 times our annual requirement times our ordering costs and we are dividing that by our carrying or holding cost per unit. Okay, so now then, let's first work out our annual requirements. Okay, so if we look at this, we know that they are using 1,440 every month. Okay, but it doesn't tell us how many weeks they are. Alright, it tells us the minimum and the maximum kgs that they're using, but remember, we want the annual, so we begin with the whole year, and it doesn't tell us this is just weekly. This also says the maximum minimum of each week, but the average, the closest amount that we can use that's fixed, if I could say that, is 1,440 per month. So when you take this amount and you simply just times it by 12, okay, and that gives us 17,280. Okay, so our holding cost per per month, that would be 15, right? Because it tells you here it's our carrying cost, which is also your holding cost, right? Carrying slash holding. And then finally, we're looking for our ordering cost, and our ordering cost to place an order is 25. So now we just substitute that into our formula and we should get our answer. All right, 2 times 17280 times 5 divided by 15, and that gives us 240. Okay, and you can find this on page 234 or page 237. So the questions that we're going to be doing is found in the textbook on page 234, page 237, and 226. The solution for page 226 is found on 239. So now we're doing exercise 10. Okay, so you find that they gave us full information, and so let's work it out. So we know it's formula 2 times your annual requirement, which is times our ordering cost divided by our holding slash carrying cost, right, per unit. So now then let's work it out.